Learn easy English, one scene at a time. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 10. Awakening and Feast. The prince quietly opened the door. The prince quietly opened the door. Light was shining into the room. Light was shining into the room. The small room was very quiet. The small room was very quiet. There was a white bed inside. There was a white bed inside. The princess was sleeping there. The princess was sleeping there. Though long years passed, she was still beautiful. Though long years passed, she was still beautiful. The prince held his breath. The prince held his breath. Can there be someone so beautiful? Can there be someone so beautiful? The prince moved closer. The prince moved closer. The princess's face was calm. The princess's face was calm. The prince knelt down. The prince knelt down. He gently took her hand. He gently took her hand. Her hand was warm. Her hand was warm. The prince made up his mind. The prince made up his mind. He kissed the princess. He kissed the princess. At that moment, the wind moved. At that moment, the wind moved. Light filled the room. Light filled the room. The princess's eyelids trembled. The princess's eyelids trembled. Her eyes slowly opened. Her eyes slowly opened. The prince broke into a smile. The prince broke into a smile. The princess looked at the prince. The princess looked at the prince. Who are you? Who are you? The prince told his name. The prince told his name. The princess slowly sat up. The princess slowly sat up. I was having a long dream. I was having a long dream. At that moment, sounds rose through the whole castle. At that moment, sounds rose through the whole castle. The sleep had begun to break. The sleep had begun to break. The king woke up. The king woke up. The queen opened her eyes. The queen opened her eyes. The soldiers stood up. The soldiers stood up. The cook dropped a plate. The cook dropped a plate. The dogs ran out with energy. The dogs ran out with energy. The birds began to sing loudly. The birds began to sing loudly. The clock hands began to move. The clock hands began to move. The fire burned brightly again. The fire burned brightly again. The king and queen hurried to the tower. The king and queen hurried to the tower. They saw the princess. They saw the princess. The two shed tears. The two shed tears. They held the princess tight. They held the princess tight. They gave thanks to the prince. They gave thanks to the prince. Smiles filled the castle. Smiles filled the castle. The people gathered in the great hall. The people gathered in the great hall. The celebration began at once. The celebration began at once. Music sounded loudly. Music sounded loudly. Flowers decorated the hall. Flowers decorated the hall. The princess and prince stood side by side. The princess and prince stood side by side. Soon a wedding was also held. Soon a wedding was also held. The whole kingdom gave its blessing. The whole kingdom gave its blessing. A happy age had begun. A happy age had begun. And so the story ends. And so the story ends. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.